Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to change shipping address on AliExpress after payments. So, have you ever tried to make a purchase on AliExpress but realize you entered the wrong shipping address? Don't worry. So, guys, how we fix this? Firstly, you need to understand the AliExpress policies. It's important to note that once you've paid, AliExpress doesn't allow you to directly edit the shipping address in the order. However, you can still work around this issue by contacting the seller. Go to the My Orders section, find the order with the incorrect address and click Contact Seller. Politely explain the situation and provide correct address. If the seller hasn't shipped the item yet, they will likely update it for you. After that, if the seller cannot update the address or hasn't replied, your next option is to cancel the order. Go back to the orders. Make sure to explain the reason for cancellations, like wrong address for example. Once cancelled, reorder the product with the correct details. Some proactive tips for future orders. Double check your address, keep your default shipping address updated in the account settings. And that's it. With these steps, you can fix address issues on AliExpress with ease. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more quick guides. See you next time.